Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Today we are going to learn three pandas method. Method number one, copy. Copy method in pandas copies data and return new object. It is important to copy data if you are going to do any data operation which can alter it. These operations are like deleting row or column, inserting new row or column, and any modification on data. Okay, load your data. I hope your data is loaded on a Jupyter notebook. Data2 is equal to data.copy, which is the method for copying data frame on pandas. Then above put a comment, data brackets method used to copy data frame and return new object. This will copy our data frame. Add the cell below. Now to verify if our data frame is copied, we need to display first three rows of data 2. Now you can see 0 up. Method number 2, append. Append method append rows of other to the end of column, returning new object. This is used for concatenating of data frame in pandas. Import pandas as PD from pandas. Import lead underscore CSV. File name is equal to single quote EPL.csv. Data is equal to lead CSV. Then we pass the file name. Data dot head to print first 5 rows. Now we are adding cell. From above cell you can see it shows 5 Premier League teams with their points. File name La Liga.csv. Data2 is equal to lead underscore CSV. Then file name data2 dot head to display first 5 rows of La Liga teams. Now you can see those are La Liga clubs and their points. So appending this, as I said, that it is concatenation. So we want to concatenate one data frame to the another. Now you can see data.append in the bracket data2. So we have already appended data1 to data2. Now these teams have joined in. Method number 3, replace. Replace method replace value of data frame dynamically. This differs from updating with .lock or .ilock, which require to specify a location of data you want to replace. Okay, now you should import pandas as PD. From pandas, import read .csv, file name is equal to single quote EPL.csv, data is equal to read_csv, then you pass the name of the file, data.head brackets to display first 5 rows. Now we need to insert another cell. If you can see, Liverpool is the first team on top of the table of EPL Premier League. It have position of 1. So we want to append 1 to be replaced with 60. Now you can see we had 1. Now Liverpool.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.